Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm sure to adjust the brightness on this TV, and I don't know if you can see the name. It's actually a Bluesonic TV. Alright, so if you have a Bluesonic TV, I'm sure to go about adjusting the brightness. Now the first thing you want to do guys, in the case of this Bluesonic TV, is have the remote here. You're going to go ahead and press on the remote. You're going to hit menu. Alright, so once you're on the menu for the Bluesonic TV, you're gonna go ahead and go to picture. So hit enter or OK on picture mode. Alright, so we're on the picture settings in general. Alright, so go ahead and hit menu. Once you're on menu, you notice you're on picture setup right there. Go ahead and go to picture mode. Alright, so once you're in picture mode, notice that we're on the option that says soft, meaning that it's a preset for picture. So in order to adjust the brightness, let me go back, you need to choose one of these modes. Soft is very dull, I like that better, it's easy on the eyes. You can go to user, meaning that you choose or you define, but as I said, I'll show you the modes. Standard is a little bit bright, dynamic is also not bad, but soft is easier on the eyes. And of course you can see the differences. I don't know if you can see it on screen. So check this out guys, if you wanted to change the brightness, go over to user, meaning user defined, go down to brightness, it's at 50, and from here you can adjust the brightness. So check it out guys, you can actually reduce the brightness from here. So if I wanted to, I could significantly on user define bring down the brightness all the way down. Alright, so by bringing down the brightness makes the TV less bright. Another thing you can look at to adjust or reduce the brightness as well is to look at the backlight for the TV. I have a separate tutorial on the backlight. That was just the tutorial for the brightness. If you have any questions, please ask them below as always. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.